Today I show you an unboxing of stickers I ordered from Temu. These are custom made stickers. They're made with the channel logo and hopefully they're good quality, decent at least. So let's see what's inside the box. More like a bag. So there's one box, another box, okay, so it's three. Oh, this one is the heaviest. It's 3 boxes and they are, I think they're made by the same seller. I don't remember. I think I ordered them all from the same seller. I'm trying to see if my address is here, but looks like no. So yeah, a batch number information. Yeah, this one is the same. So I ordered a few types, a few sizes. UV customization, 20 pieces. And then these ones are 100 pieces, 4 centimeters. And this one should be 50 pieces, 3 centimeters. So 5 centimeters, 20 pieces, 100 pieces, 4 centimeters, and 3 centimeters, 50 pieces. Let's start with the 50 pieces of 3 centimeters. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good actually. Okay. Wow. Colors are a bit greenish, but I think that's how the logo of the channel is anyway. And wow, the quality seems pretty good. Nothing else in the box. They smell a bit like chemical. And nice. So they have this roll. They are made into this roll and they feel like you feel it a little bit. I hope it's not mirrored. No, it's okay. It says Ion. This one is a bit large actually. I thought it would be smaller. So if I put it on the back of my phone, maybe it would fit. Or maybe it fits somewhere right there. Something like that. And these are the UV type, which I'm not sure exactly what it means. There is some information here. 3 centimeters. That's the end of a roll here, I think. 50 pieces. Oh no, that's the information of this batch. Wow. So it's all written here. 3 centimeters. Okay, so this is one design. And now this one is the 4 centimeters. Wow, this is even bigger. Wow. So box is empty. The same thing. So pretty nice. They are all printed. They smell a bit like the beach toys, like rubber, PVC, I think. I think it's some kind of PVC. So they are all printed. They are all printed like this. So we have this one is bigger. the same style UV transfer size, like that. And the biggest one, 5 centimeters. I'm curious how big is this one? Wow. Yeah, this roll also has the information here. It says here 100 pieces. Okay, it's not really 100. Is it 100? 4 centimeters is 100 pieces, so that's pretty nice. The shape of this is pretty nice. You can tell it's this, it will transfer only this part. And even this part, I could transfer it to a phone. And this one is the biggest, and it's 5 centimeters, 20 pieces. Yeah, this is way bigger. Yeah, they are all printed. So I wanna try the 3 centimeters one. Hopefully it works on the phone. I can put it on the phone. I need to clean the phone. And okay, microfiber cloth, bit of alcohol spray. I'll clean this pot. So I'm trying to think, maybe I put one here and one here, something like that, or maybe one here. So I'll take one of these small ones. I have to cut it. Okay, I have to cut it. I will use the scissors. I'll take one piece here. The way you apply this sticker is simply you peel it off from this paper first. Okay, so this film comes off. I think this is gonna be reversed. I'm not sure what's happening here. I thought it would be stuck to this plastic stuff, but I guess we will find out. So maybe if I have to put this in a window inside the car or something like this, so it's gonna be mirrored. I'm not so sure. Okay, I'll try to put it here. Here it's not gonna fit. Here, I'll put it here. Yeah, I think the backing was supposed to go there. So this is the front. Yeah, that's the backing here. So I peeled it and it's not right. At least it's not mirrored. This is pretty sticky. And I'll try to put it on the phone here. Just there. Just like that. Okay. I'm not very happy with the edge here, but it seems okay. The smell is acceptable. So you have to press it really well here, but it's actually pretty good quality, I think. The quality of it. I will use it on the phone. see how it is, see how it wears out, but it's a UV transfer. Maybe I'll put a bigger one here. I'll put one of the bigger ones here. I don't know how you're supposed to peel this. Okay, so this should stay with the design. That's the key here. So if the design peels away from it, I have to move this paper a bit back. Yeah, like that. That's how it works. Okay. So now that I know, now I can finally put it here. It's not straight, but I don't care. Doesn't need to be straight. So I press it down really well. And then remove this sticker. Oh, okay. I have to say I'm pretty happy with this. This looks pretty good. I'll put one more here. Small one. It smells like PVC, like beach toys. Some kind of... I'm sure it's not good to smell this. So, yeah, okay, so I opened it. And now I have to make sure that I take the design together with this transparent film. Oh, and it's coming out nicely by itself, okay. And I shouldn't touch the back of it to get maximum adhesion. Don't know, I'll try to put it straight somehow. Is it straight? Probably no. Maybe this one is. Okay. So I press it well, press it in, and then peel off the edge, just like that. Pretty good quality. It sticks really well, so yeah. I wish I ordered some smaller ones, but okay, maybe I'll order another batch. But actually, maybe this is the right size. That's the logo of the channel, the logo of the website also. That's it. I hope this helps you see what to expect when you order these UV transfer sheets of stickers. Thanks for watching.